Hey guys, it's Hannah here and welcome back to a new video. So I have received my February Simply Gilded box, which is called, as you can see, Paris in Spring. It's a beautiful pastel spring themed box that I've been so excited about. And I mean, the packaging itself is gorgeous as always. Look at all those beautiful florals. This is a beautiful box, and it did actually come with a little extra thing here, sadly quite beaten up by the post, but it's a little blind bag Juniper kind of vinyl collectible, which is really cool because, well, if you know my kind of backstory a little bit, you know that I used to run a channel called LPS Hannah, which was all about collectible miniature little kind of plastic toys, which this will remind me a lot of. I'll actually save this one for last because it is a surprise. There's 4 different ones, and yeah, I'll save this one for last because this is probably the most exciting, so really, really awesome. But now let's get into what's in here. Okay, so here we go. Ooh, oh my goodness. I do not recognize this. This might be the mystery item because I do not remember seeing this in the previews. So I'll save that one for last too, with the blind box, because everything else I have seen, because I do watch the previews. So here we have the little menu card, as it's called. Ooh, oh, this is bigger than I thought. Ooh, so this is the pouch. I'll just do this. I have similar pouches like this, but this is actually a bit bigger. I love the kind of chevron, almost, or diamond-like pattern. That's gorgeous. Oh, and there's a little bit protective plastic. Look at that shiny heart, and oh, it's on both sides. Oh, that's so cool. So you could actually make this into like a little crossbody bag if you wanted to, or like a wallet on chain, maybe. Ooh, look at that shimmery satin goodness. Well, not shimmery, but shiny. Oh, right, and it's divided. That's awesome. You could totally have this as like some sort of wallet on chain. You could have your phone on one side and have change on the other or whatever. It's super flat, so wow, this is really practical. And this is like a very, it looks great to me, but it might be like a really like grayish pink. Oh, the button was a little tough, but this is so cool. You could really make this into your own and use it really for whatever you want to. That's really awesome. Okay, so I usually save the washi for last, so I'll take some other things first. Oh, right, I love when this is included. So these are little die cuts, which I love. I love paper products and things I can get crafty with. So the backing is beautiful as always. Vinyl die cuts, it's called. So it's like on a vinyl paper, I suppose, with gold foiling. So we have a little cafe scene here. Have a bicycle. I love the fact that she has included lots of bicycles in this kit, because I love taking my bike out for a ride, especially when spring comes and summer. This is a beautiful little like cafe cart. Super cute. Love the balloons. These are adorable. I love die cuts and I love that they're foiled. Just adds that little extra. So I'm gonna take the stickers next. Oh, these are beautiful. Man, Irene, she kills it. And this month, I love the color so much. It's so up my alley with the pastels and everything. So we have 2 mini sheets. We have one with date dots or date hearts in this case. On this kind of similar color to the pouch, but this is more nudish. This is more grayish. With some extra icons. And then we have the heart icons on that beautiful floral background. And we have, I'm gonna take the mini sheet together with those. So we have the seals, the heart not heart. Oh my gosh, these are bow seals in different patterns. Just beautiful. I love that this is also a gold foiled box. I just love gold, as you know. Pastels and gold are my vibe. So this box, right, like I said, is right up my alley. I was so happy when I saw the sneaks of it. Then we have the kit. So this is the mini sheet with, this time it is 5 half boxes. Oh, I love it so much. I love half boxes. And then we have an extra full box. Oh, that's so cute. Little carousel with a horse. Some checklists and a little tiny bit of deco up here. And this is the actual like full kit. So we have 2 sets of days, weekdays. And I love that this one has the gold kind of line here at the bottom of each one. I think that's beautiful. I love this full box. You can tell why. And oh, this is nice too. I love how everything is so, I love just the layout. It looks beautiful. And then we have some more here. Another set of, day covers. Love those. And some more gorgeous full boxes and some super cute deco. Love this one too. Next up, we have specialty papers. And you know I love these, being a paper crafty girl. I love to use these for different things. And I think the B6 size is really great. I can't use it in A5 planners, but right now I'm in personal, so I just need to, cut a little bit, and then it works perfectly. Or if I use a B6 planner, these are already perfect size. So we have the beautiful florals here with the pink, like rose style. I think maybe it was called something specific, this type of pattern, but I don't remember. But it's beautiful. And then we have this kind of chevron or diamond style pattern with kind of a nudish tone. This pattern we've seen before with the, let's see, I think it might have been October box. The kind of 20s style box. So yeah, that's really, really gorgeous. And we have the notebook here. So this one is really simple. As you can see, it says La Vie en Rose. I don't know French, so apologies for my pronunciations. And a little just simple bow there with this nude style. There's actually, I guess because it's Paris, it's a bit more classy. It's pastel, it's cute, but it's still classy with these more muted tones, like the more grayish tone and the nude. Not too many like, like poppy pastels. Okay, so now I'm gonna get into all the goodness that's in here. Oof, I love this green color. It's so soft, but so pretty. And these bags are just beautiful. I think it's really, really awesome that we get everything in these nowadays. Ooh, okay, so maybe I'll just take out the card first. So this is the journaling card. I love this one, obviously, because of the bike. And I'm not even gonna try to pronounce what's on there. I do know that she translated it in some place what it actually says, but I do not remember what the translation was. And getting to the washi. Ooh, there's so much goodness in here. Oh! Hold on. Okay, there we go. Look at this. It didn't even have a little bow on it. I want to find a way to repurpose these bags because I have a few of them now and I think they're wonderful. I just don't know what to use them for. I feel like you could use this to store certain things and organize them really well. I don't know. If you like repurpose these bags for something, let me know because I'd love to hear. Either way, let's see. So first, yes, I am subscribed to the 5mm add-on. So I'll just go through these first. We have, I guess this is one with a beautiful rose pattern again. And we have hearts and vine. And this is a color block with gold and a kind of pastel blue. Beautiful. This one is going to be gorgeous with the roses. And I love that we get more of the roses in here. So I am gonna find everything. And then, let's see. Oh, there's lots of washi in this one. Even without the add-on, this is beautiful. So much. Okay. So, this is probably going to become a favorite in my collection. I just adore it. I think it's beautiful. And with the gold, you know, I love. Then we have a beautiful Paris skyline design, which is probably going to be beautiful rolled out. Ah, so, so pretty. And this is a beautiful one. This is like a simple bow line, but in a different pattern. And it kind of matches, I guess, the bow design that's, hold on. I guess it's a similar type of bow that you see here. So that's really pretty. Here we have, I think it's perforated one, the top one, like a teal color with kind of these, I don't know what these are called, but they do feel very like kind of Paris, and I think of old like buildings, old furniture and old, I don't know, like 700s style things. And then we have this beautiful kind of diamond pattern again on the nude. Super versatile too and super gorgeous. Last but not least, it's probably my favorite. You can tell why. It has bikes on it and the bows. Super cute. This one I'm gonna make sure to use a lot of this spring just because it speaks to me so much. Alright, so that was everything that was visible, and those were all the things that I had seen before. Now I want to see what the mystery item is. It comes in this beautiful pink, I don't know, maybe not dust bag, that's not what you call it. Super tiny, super cute. And it's, I am gonna guess that it's some sort of either a necklace or a bracelet. I'm hoping for a necklace because I don't tend to use bracelets a lot, but we'll see. Every jewelry item that Irene has done that I've seen so far are beautiful. So, oh my gosh. And I think I have not seen this yet. So this is a total surprise for me. Oh my gosh. I think it might be a necklace. Oh, and it's gold. Oh my gosh. It's like an updated version of her other gold bow necklace. I have actually a gold bow necklace from her previously, but that's a bit chunkier, and this is a little bit different. This is like an updated version. Oh my goodness. So now technically I have two of them. I think this chain might be a bit longer though. That's wonderful. This looks so fancy. Like, this quality is really nice. Oh, I love that. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Irene. And I mean, it does fit this box so well too because of the Paris and the, you know, kind of, you think of fashion and design and style and chic. This is like the perfect thing to top this box off. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Okay, so there's still this one left, and it might be one of the most exciting things I've ever unboxed or ever will unbox on Simply Gilded. Like I said, this brings back so many memories for me. Now there's 4 different ones to choose from. And I haven't read what's on this back here. I'm gonna read it out loud just because I'm curious what it says. Welcome to the shimmering world of Simply Gilded. Hello, it's so nice to meet you. I'm Juniper the bunny. I live alongside all of my friends in an enchanted meadow by the ocean side. I have big dreams and invite you to dream too. No dream is too big or too small. I see the light inside of you, and I know the world will be so much better the more you let it shine. XOXO Juniper. Oh, that's so sweet. Well, thank you, Juniper. P.S. Juniper loves you. Hope to see you again soon. She's adorable. I love Juniper, and I love that Irene has designed her. Now, because there's 4 different ones to choose from and it's a blind bag, of course, I am hoping for a certain one. Can you guess? Well, of course, the pink one I'm really hoping for because I love pink. Of course, I want the pink dress. It's my favorite color, but all of them are super cute. And I've been so anxious all of this time to see which one I will get. And now I will find out. Oh, I'm so excited. I haven't opened a blind box in a long, long time. All right, are you excited? I'm excited. Whew. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Which one is it gonna be? Oh, okay, so it's in a bag. Okay, okay. So how do I open it? Okay, so there's a rip here. Here we go. Oh, which one is gonna be? If it's the pink one, I'm the luckiest girl ever. If it's not, that's okay too. So I'm gonna see. Ooh. Do I see white? Is it the pink one? Oh my god! Oh my gosh, no way. Oh my goodness, this is a miracle. Well, I mean, I guess statistically it might not be because I had 1 out of 4. But still, guys, oh my gosh. I got the one I wanted. Oh my gosh, I'm the luckiest girl ever. Well, I guess right now at least I feel like the luckiest girl ever. Oh, the quality though. Man, these are beautiful collectibles. Now I have collected a bountiful of cute tiny little things throughout my life. But man, am I impressed. This bunny, she's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love her. I love her so much. Look, it says Simply Gilded. She was designed in 2020, it looks like. I love the little heart paws. Oh my gosh. I just wanna, whoever packed my package, thank you, thank you, thank you. Of course, that person didn't know that I was gonna get this one, but I did. Oh my gosh, this made my day. I just wanna stare at her all day because I have the pink Juniper, my favorite one. Alright guys, so that was the February Paris in Spring Simply Gilded box of 2021. Beautiful, elegant, cute, pretty, just so many pretty, gorgeous things in here. I love that we got not 1 but 2 surprises. Excuse me, my voice. I've been using it kind of a lot lately. 2 surprises. I love surprises. I think it's super, super fun when we get things like this. And I love the mystery item every month. It's always something I look forward to seeing. And the month when I don't get spoiled beforehand, I feel super extra thankful. So yeah, this month was just fantastic. And the fact that I received my favorite little Juniper, I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. I feel so blessed and so lucky. So either way, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it could bring a smile to your face. And if you want to see more of my Simply Gilded unboxings and any other of my videos for that matter, don't forget to subscribe. You can click the bell. You can like the video. All of that is super, super duper appreciated by me. So thank you so much for that. And until next time, bye for now.